What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we are located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. I got one of my favorite stadium picks for you guys. So it's the food-inspired collaboration. So we talking breakfast, lunch, brunch, dinner, late night eats, and maybe even some dessert. So I know y'all want to see what that looks like and say less with all this talking. Let's eat. We have to start no further than the Bacon Air Max 90, brought to us by Dave Ortiz. And shouts out to my man, Big Poppy. Make sure you get well soon. But I'm talking Dave Ortiz from Dave's Quality Meat, who founded Dave's Quality Meat in 2003. It is the first concept shop in NYC. So the theme of the shop is based around a butcher and meats and fresh cuts. Being that freshness is all about the streetwear and the footwear industry, we can't start any further with these. So Dave had an epiphany and he came up with a bacon inspired shoe. And mind you, I do not eat pork, so for me this is like turkey bacon, but with the different accents and details in regards to materials and quality, it's one of the most sought after Air Max 90 releases of all time. So in regards to breakfast, we can't start any further than the Bacon Air Max 90. But also in regards to breakfast, cereal is a survival tool for me. There have been many days and nights that I survived off of cereal if there was nothing else around, so I do love cereal. And with that being said, the Kyrie cereal pack was released in 2018. I want to say it's the Kyrie Four. Of course, the cereal pack was released in 2018. Was first seen on him at the USA Mini Camp in Las Vegas. And also, New York City first saw this shoe during the New York versus New York tournament last year in 2018. The championship game, I believe the Brooklyn team wore the Lucky Charms, and I believe the Dykeman team wore the Kicks Kyrie. But we have the Kicks, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and Lucky Charms, and of course breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day. And with that being said, this completes our breakfast series. So we start off with the side of bacon. We got the Air Max 90 on the side, and then we have the cereal to set it off. But also another treat in regards to breakfast will be, I do not drink coffee, but be that as it may, we have the collaboration between Sneaker Politics and Saucony, and they bring to you the Saucony Shadow 5000 times Sneaker Politics times Cafe Du Monde. So Sneaker Politics is a New Orleans-based brand sneaker boutique, and Cafe Du Monde is a New Orleans-based coffee shop. So the two worlds collide with this shoe that you see right here, the Saucony Shadow 5000. So you'll see the main premise of this shoe is designed behind the beignets, which are served at Cafe Du Monde. So the beignet is a powdered donut-like pastry. So you'll see the kind of donut color feels right here with the browns, and then we have the powdered sugar look hits right there in the lace area, and of course the Cafe Du Monde on the tongue of the left foot, and the politics, the Sneaker Politics, on the tongue of the right foot. So in regards to collaborations and just the thought process of this is definitely breakfast to me. So we're gonna transition from breakfast into lunch/brunch and check out the Nike SB chicken and waffle. So on the lunch/brunch menu of the Stadium Goods Food Pick collaborations, we have the Nike SB Chicken and Waffle, originally brought to us in 2016. So this one mirrors aesthetically the actual chicken and waffle. So you'll see right in the upper, the whole waffle aesthetic throughout, and then you'll see the syrup dripping in the swoosh area. So it's Nike's tasty take on one of the world's favorite meals now, because I definitely love a good chicken and waffle, but we're gonna revisit the chicken and waffle a little bit later on again. So here for the beverage portion, we have the Kith Coca-Cola pack, and I also will shout out Adidas and the Arizona Iced Tea collection that they just released. But my beverage choice right now is the Kith Coca-Cola pack. It is the Converse Allstar. The Converse Allstar is one of the most iconic silhouettes ever in regards to sneakers, and that collaboration with Kith and Coca-Cola just brought to us a great piece of work. So we have the red pair right here in my hand, which mirrors the Coca-Cola bottle, has the sail outsole. So it represents a global feel with different languages being represented. So there's French, English, Russian, and also Chinese. So you'll see which is most common throughout each silhouette, it reads, "We live as many, but we stand as one." So each of these shoes read, "We live as many, but we stand as one," in each colorway. So I have the navy, the white, the red once again, the yellow, and also the Friends and Family, which was the denim pair. This is probably my favorite pair out of the group. But in regards to beverages, can't wash down a good meal without a good bev. And here we have the Coca-Cola pack. And I'm gonna transition this into dinner. Dinner is, when I get to eat it, it's one of my favorite meals of the day. But we have the Nike SB Concept Lobster. So here we have, on the dinner portion of the Stadium Picks food collaborations, is the Nike Lobster SB times Concept. So Concept is a shop in multiple areas, but mainly based out of Boston. And they released first the red and the blue Lobster SB. I want to say the red Lobster SB was 2008 and the blue Lobster SB was 2009. There's also a yellow lobster, which is extremely limited to only Friends and Family. But 10 years after the blue lobster, here we have the purple lobster, and then we also have the green lobster. So right off the bat, you'll see with the purple and green lobster, the special boxing and packaging that these came in. So this one is in the ice blue box, and then if I show you the box on this guy right here, so you'll see right in the corner the concepts. And of course, the concept behind this box design is actually really dope. But I'll give you guys one last look and one last feel for the food in regards to the green Lobster SB and the purple Lobster SB. And we're gonna transition. I think I need another snack. So we might jump into the Kyrie Krispy Kreme. So another snack on the Stadium Picks food collaborations right here is the Kyrie 2 Krispy Kreme. So I know I featured the Kyrie 4 with the cereal pack. And of course we have the Kyrie 2 Krispy Kreme. So these are official collaborations, the cereal pack being with General Mills and the Krispy Kreme being with the famed donut brand Krispy Kreme. If you got any Krispy Kreme, bring them right over to Stadium Goods. We definitely need those. But so this one came out in extremely limited quantities. So right off the bat, you'll see the speckle and the color palette of this entire shoe matches that of the Krispy Kreme brand. So you got some green, some red, some white, and this is one of the earlier releases from Kyrie. And as you've been following Kyrie's releases, he's done the SpongeBob pack, the Friends shoe, the concepts from Kyrie, a variety of different pairs. But in regards to my snack, and everybody loves a good donut, we got the Kyrie Krispy Kreme. So we can't close out the Stadium Picks food collaborations menu without the late night eats and of course the dessert. So one of the Friends and Family of Stadium Goods and one of the premier chicken and waffle brands in the world now is the Sweet Chick Vans Low. So of course, Sweet Chick had, when Stadium Goods first opened in 2015, they released the Fila chicken and waffle silhouette, which came in 2 separate colors. But that is also the first event we had right here at Stadium Goods was with Sweet Chick. So much love and always love to Sweet Chick. Shout out to John, shout out to the whole team, and Nas, of course. And we have the Sweet Chick Vans. So you'll see the Sweet Chick Life right on the lace area there. And on the back tab of the shoe features the Sweet Chick. And of course, on the outsole features the 178. So 178 Ludlow is the location of Sweet Chick in the Manhattan area. So you can grab the sneakers from us, but you can grab the chicken and waffles right over on 178 Ludlow. They're really close in proximity. So make sure you pull up to both 47 Howard and 178 Ludlow. But we have the Sweet Chick van right there. And also, in regards to dessert, we have the Ewing Mikey Likes It. So we, in our Stadium Summer Friday program, which just recently ended, we did a collaborative effort with Mikey earlier this summer for our Stadium Friday program where Mikey pulled the truck up to Stadium Goods on 47 Howard Street, and we actually gave out free ice cream to all of our neighbors and guests of Stadium Goods. So we have the Mikey Likes It. You'll see the Mikey M on the tongue, and of course the Ewing on the back. And it's a cream colorway, of course, to mirror ice cream. So the base of the brand is blue, and what drives the brand, of course, is the ice cream. So we got the ice cream right there. We got the all day and late night eats with the Sweet Chick Vans chicken and waffle. Here we have our full menu of Stadium Picks food collaborations, and we've gone through breakfast, lunch, brunch. We threw in some bevs if you need a drink. We got also, just to call out last one, if you need an adult beverage, there was the Nike Heineken Sb, which I believe released in either 2003 or 2005. Let me know in the comments. But let me know your favorite food-inspired shoe. Let me know if we missed one, if we didn't chef up the right flavors. But I think we got some good ones in the pack, and all of these are here available right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now of course Instagram TV. Please make sure you download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And if you have any questions regarding anything Stadium Goods, make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com. We do not have the food here, so do not pull up expecting this food, but here is our full menu, and I am Fresco BK. Salud.